Hello everyone, welcome back to Peace, Mind and Body. My name is Aaliyah and today we'll do a gentle soft flow for beginners, and if you feel stiff, it helps you to loosen up your joints and helps your heart rate, helps your mind to calm down, and breathing is just such an important part of our aspect. It just calms the mind and helps flow into the body, and your joints are moving quickly. All right, so are you ready to begin? Palms open to receive good energy. Palms down to ground you. Relax your shoulders down and smile because everything is okay. Nowhere to go and nothing to do. Just simply relax into your space. This is time for you to take back control of your life. Simply close your eyes, disconnect everything around you, and breathe. Visualize the screen big as a billboard. As I count from 3 to 1, relax even deeper. 3, 3, 3. Relax the shoulders, soften your jaw. Relax your torso, your tailbone, fingers and toes. And breathe. 2, 2, 2. Relax your mind. Be in a peaceful state of bliss and peace. This is your time to take back control of your life. Take a breath, noting out the breath. 1, 1, 1. Go to the center of the heart. Relax into this space and go. I am well. I am great. I am perfect. Breathe in and breathing out. Relax into your state of bliss and peace. Another breath in and another breath out. Good. And let's just open your eyes and bring your arms straight up. Inhale. And then slowly exhale, tap down. Inhale. Exhale. Good, you're doing great. Nice gentle flow to move your body and be in the center of yourself. Now, inhale up. We're going to turn to the right side. Exhale as you twist to the right. Open the heart. Palms are flat. In, breathing out. Good. Now bring your arms straight up. Inhale, exhale, turn your torso the other way. And keeping your knees down, open chest. Breathe into your ribs, your obliques. Good, bring your arms straight up again, inhale, and then bring your hand, tap it down, relax. Back to center, coming to tabletop. And just circle your shoulders and hips. Breathe. And then a circle other way. Great. Now, take your right leg between your hands. You can make a fist and take the left knee back. lunge. If it's too much for the knee, you can double the mat or get a cushion. And breathe in and slowly exhale out. Good. Breathe. Relax. Release. Now, let's go straighten the knee and hold into this position. Toes are up, lengthening your chin. Breathe. Relax. Back to center, the other side. Knee over the ankle, making a fist. Open chest and let go. Now straighten your knee and hold into this position. Keep your mind focused on the good things in life. Relax and release. And then bend the knee, come back to tabletop. Let's do cat and cow, shoulders underneath the wrist, knee into the hip. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, rounding, squeeze. Working with the core as well. Open the throat. Being mindful of your breath. Movement with the flow. Back to center. Coming to plank and down dog. Now, pedal your legs. You can stay right here. If this is too much, stay on the knees. Stay right here. And pedal. Open the chest. Heel down and heel down. Now, if you like, you can walk to the front of the mat, right, left, and hands to shin. Now, if you're still on the knee, what you like to do is just take the right leg between your hands, left to follow, and join us right about here. Relax the neck and breathe into your space. Bend the knee and then rise up, palms together, extending back. Hands to heart, back to mountain. Taking your left leg back 45 degrees, keep your front leg, knee over the ankle, bringing your arms straight up, and coming into Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. You're grounding your feet, relaxing the shoulders, working the shoulders. Now your torso needs to be right with your shoulders and hip, like a flashlight, headlight. Breathe in, breathing out. Hands to heart, back to mountain, ground here. Good. Now let's do the other side, taking your right leg back. Line your hips, shoulders, hips, and bringing your arms straight up like headlights. Relax the shoulders, soften your jaw, and simply breathe in from the nose, and then slowly exhale out from the mouth. Hands to heart, back to mountain, around here. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to shin, relax the neck, letting go of anything that's unwanted thoughts. Just right, left, right. Palm to flat. Take your right knee down, left to follow. Let's do a spinal balance. Take your right hand, left knee. Inhale, exhale. Come down, alternate side. Inhale, exhale, and down. I'm going to continue this. This is working the macros gluteus, the core, shoulders, and you can see your legs. This is a good one to do when you have a few minutes and you feel great. Amazing, actually. We're going to do one more to the left and the right. Inhale, exhale. Come back to tabletop. Let's go ahead and bring your legs together and head down, relax into your space. Rising back up, crossing your legs. Now bring your knees upright. Exhale to the right, exhale to the left, and just flowing with breath by breath. Good, that should feel good in the hips. Let's come down, let's do a bridge pose. Palms flat, ground yourself. Keep the chin about 45 degrees, make sure. Palms flat. Now tuck the pelvis, squeeze and lift all the way up. And then you're gonna come all the way down from the head, shoulders, and pelvis down. Inhale, exhale. And then slowly come down and relax into your space. Good. Doing great, my friends. Squeeze and lift. And then slowly come down and relax into your space. Do two more. And then slowly come down and take the right leg, cross over, push the knee back, and then collapse your hand and bring that knee to your chest. This is a good hip opening, and if you have problem with your low back, pulling down, relaxing to your space. 30 seconds is good for getting into the ligaments and the tendons with the breath. Inhale, just sweep, nice breath, and then exhale, release. Good. Come down and let's do the other side. Come down and breathe. now from here, let's go into cobbler pose. Our feet are together, your arms up, cactus arms maybe, feels good. Ground yourself here. Relax your eyes, soften your jaw. And I like to say some affirmation to myself. I am supported by the universe. I'm healthy and wealthy and wise. I let go of the past, stay in the future, stay here in the present moment, and relax into the space now. Everything is happening for my ultimate good. When I let go of stress, my body heals itself naturally. I am a wonderful human being. Everything just flows my way when I start to believe in myself. Everything's working for my ultimate good. And you can add more to it too. All right, now let's go take the legs straight down. And just place your hands down, maybe on your belly. Feel the belly rising and falling. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, the belly rise. And then exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, relax. Now in your mind's eye, visualize the number 3 times, like a flashing. Now relax your head, the shoulders, the hips, the knees. Now, think of the number 2 3 times in your mind. Relaxing your mind, visualize in your place of peace and paradise. Now the number 1 3 times. Now go to the heart. Send a message to the heart. This is your radar to the universe. Tell the universe what you are seeking, wanting, desiring. Say it in detail. Say it with passion, feeling that already exists for you. Your health, finance, relationship. See it in detail. It's already working out. Let the universe handle the detail of it. Put the desire and relax. You may stay here and just think about all the things that you want in life and all the health and good wealth. Next time, my friends, see you. Love and light to you.